Woo! We got live! What's good, y'all? Tech in 3 vibes here. You already know the vibes. I got another video for y'all today, man. I don't know what happened. I feel like the car gods are speaking to me because we got life in the 94 Caprice. Yeah, oddly enough, I don't know exactly what happened. We did go and cop a new battery for the Caprice. I don't know if y'all remember. It's been a little while since we touched this thing. I think about a month ago since I did a video on it. But whatever the case, Motor Mike, you know, our neighbor that, you know what I'm saying, he does all the engine work and all that good stuff on the cars, on the GMs. He came down. We had just pretty much chopped it. I was going to tell y'all too, by the way, since it had been so long since I talked about the car. Me and Hus was just going to chop it, you know what I mean, and just part it out, make our money that way. We got this car for crumbs, so really wasn't nothing to it. Like, all right, we'll just part it out and get the money that way. That'll be simple. So that was pretty much where we were at until yesterday. We got live! Ain't no lie, man. That mug just started up like nothing. You hear that baby purr? Digital dash out right now. Gotta get that right. Check gauge. Engine light on. What we got? Okay, what's that e-brake plug? Oh no, shit is on now. I'll take it off. Alright, so yeah, no digital dash right now. I'll be looking on lights. I don't even know if lights is. I'm gonna get out here in a second and check lights. Yeah, no dash lights though. But she got power though. She got power, y'all. She has power. No fluke. You see the radio on? Yes, sir. You feel me? Hold on. Why that feel cool? Why that feel cool? Hold on. That feel cool, y'all. Huh, interesting. We ain't gonna worry about it. I'm pretty sure no AC compressor for sure. There's no AC compressor, but that mug blowing though. I mean the fan worked. All right, let's check it out. I gotta, there we go. Take that e-brake off. Let's pop the hood. Let it go Hus right there. Bro, about to do an installation. Damn, Hus, this you? You come in big Merc now?
Hey, you know how we do, baby. We doing different shit at different times.
What you got going on?
This is that installation.
Okay.
About to get ready to do a car stereo install. It's gonna be some fire ass shit. About to get ready to drop 4 10s in this motherfucker with a 2000 watt amp and a little touchscreen radio.
What year is this?
That's a good question, my brother. I think we might be on some
This mug decent, y'all. You see the badges? A little limited edition on him. I see him. You got the muscle feet on it.
2004.
2004. Okay, a little bit older than mine. Yeah, badges. He been taking care of this. Been taking care of it. Nah, this smooth. He sound good. I can tell he did a little something on the exhaust. He got dual pipes. 6, what it is. Solid. Probably did a little exhaust hookup. Yeah, bro over there working on car audio. Alright, check out up under this hood though. Squeeze. Come on. Hold on, y'all. It's hard to do it with the phone. All right, got this mug open. As y'all see, it's the 4-3. Yes, sir. That mug rolling too, man. Yeah, so Motor Mike came over yesterday, and he asked, was the digital dash lighting up? Because I think he had somebody that was interested in the part, whatever the case. So here's the key. Just go check it out. I remember the dash lighting up, but I couldn't remember exactly if it, the digital part was there. It wasn't. But he goes out here, comes back like, yo, the freaking Caprice is started. I'm like, what? So come out here like, man, what the heck you do? I ain't do nothing. I just cranked it and that mug started right up. So for the longest, y'all, I don't know if y'all remember, but we didn't have no spark. It did turn. It wasn't seized or nothing, obviously. So we knew there was still something possibly there. After getting another battery, trying to turn it again. It was cranking, but it wasn't turning over. Figured it was basically just needing a tune-up, like a relay coil, ICU or ICM, something like that. Y'all know what I'm talking about on my GM heads. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But whatever the case, thinking that was probably gonna be what we had to do, and it was looking like still just chalk it. Then, like I said yesterday, happened. He cranked this bad baby right on up, and as y'all see, that mug starting up with no issues. So it do got the 4.3 in it. Still gonna have to put a new serpentine belt on this thing. We got one, but I don't think it's the right one. If we put it back up on there, it's probably not going to want to start again. So I think we got to get a compressor pull around or a workaround, whatever they want to call, whatever they call that thing. Long story short, there is a different type of belt that you put on it when your AC compressor is out, but you still want the car to run without it. So we just gonna put one of those up on there, and it will be able to steer better. Because right now the steering is cheap. I mean, you could drive it home, but I would recommend. So right now she is running though, y'all. We got some power and some life in this thing. We was about to chalk it up, and she said, "No, please don't sell me. I'm worth more." So we got a Caprice on deck for right now, y'all. This thing came to life. Let me know, man, what y'all think. The 08 still riding strong, but I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I feel like the days is limited. 162,000 on it right now. She riding strong. That's nothing for one of these. But man, look at the grill, man. Look at the grill, man. Look at my grill. Look at my grill. These came through and jacked me for my grill, man. Some broke boys from around here somewhere came through late night. We was literally over here making some music. Bro didn't leave at like 1 in the morning. Come out here, 6, 7, like I normally do, whatever the case. I went to the, getting ready to make my moves. I hop out the car, realized the grill gone. Somebody came and snatched out the grill. I'ma just use it as motivation to get into a new, a different whip. So she's still riding strong, but obviously needs some TLC. We got some other things we're working on right now, so thinking about moving out of this here soon. And this could be a potential candidate. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It's a fuel efficient V8. It is still a V8. I ain't gonna lie to y'all though. I know for sure it need a tune up and a little bit of looking over, because it don't sound the best, but it is riding though. Now we put that new belt on here, it might sound a lot better. It might sound a lot better. I'm trying to make sure this thing ain't leaking, because that's what we got to do. Said the fuel line won't put on right. I do smell gasoline a little bit. I feel like I do at least. The exhaust is there, but it kind of smells gassy. You hear that mud purr though? So it's all there. This thing ain't got much of any type of giddy up to it. I think it was, correct me if I'm wrong, y'all, I think this said 200 horsepower. So obviously on this big old moving yacht, That's less than 200 power to the wheels, meaning this is for show, a mega cruiser. You dig? Not a fast one at all. My 4.6 is leaving this one behind. So, yeah. Brought this thing back to life. Y'all let me know what you think. Bro did sell the motor. You know what I'm saying? He had sold that 5.3 Vortec. It had a lot of miles on it anyway, like 190K. So, you know, gotta make no mistakes. And yet, here we are with a 94 Caprice running. Lights is working. We got power, we got life in this thing, y'all. Let me know, what should we do? Should we restore it, restock it? She ain't too far away from factory. You know what I'm saying? She ain't too far away from factory. Get the rims cleaned up. I mean, this mod could get detailed up, y'all. You know, it's moving. We get the steering right. This one gonna be ready for a good detail, and then we might be looking at a different situation. I think God is just saying, keep the patience. You know what I mean? Y'all let me know, though, what y'all thinking in the comments. Like the Caprice purple metallic, looking good over there, y'all. Let me know. It's your boy Taking 3 Vibes. Mastermind Motors. We out here working, y'all. 94 Caprice. What should we do next? Let me know. To the next one. You know the vibes. I'm out.